Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video, and today I have with me something which is gonna help you keep a track of your fitness. We're talking about Honor Band 6. This is the latest edition and a comeback product from Honor since its disappearance in a way, but I wouldn't say disappearance, I would say just taking a sabbatical from the industry to putting their stuff together, and they are back with this amazing product. I'm going to tell you all about it, how this is going to keep your fitness and help you keep a track of your fitness, and we will tell you all about keeping you healthy and fit as well. But before I get on to telling you all about it and unboxing and finding out what's inside the box and how it does it, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, like and follow us there as well. And if you are there on TikTok and Instagram, yes, we are there and we can definitely use your love there. Just go there. Handle across is Great Lobbyist. And if you want more information, log on to our website www.greatlobbyist.com. So guys, getting straight onto the business, we're going to look at the box quickly. Beautiful looking branding. You've got the product right here, as you can see, and very simple, some basic features at the back which I'm going to tell you all about. And we have my favorite yellow cutter ready to unbox it, and I'm going to do that right away. So don't go anywhere and keep watching. Hello guys, I'm back and we have just finished unboxing the Honor Band 6, and inside the box we have the band itself in a beautiful black color, and we have the charger. We've seen these before. That's the one you snap it in and plug it into your USB and charge it. We're going to tell you all about it and how long does the battery last and everything, and some warranty papers and on the box itself. Beautiful looking piece of hardware. First thing, it's beautifully styled. I love this slight small red line right here, which is absolutely fab. You know, it's amazing to see some kind of design. You know, and another part is the beautiful Honor logo on the other side, as you can see. Amazing stuff. So, and another element of beauty for looks, 1.47 inches of AMOLED display. This is a large screen with narrow bezels, which gives you more space to work with, easy operation and a better user experience. 148% more display area than the traditional fitness trackers, so that you can keep an eye on all what is happening within your body when you're working out and your fitness right through and through. Blood oxygen monitoring, SpO2. Now this is a very critical part, because blood oxygen level goes low, you feel tired, you feel lack of energy, then there are chances of you feeling memory loss as well. And at the same time, it is very crucial for your overall fitness, keeping in mind that today's time and day, specifically with the COVID going on, blood oxygen monitoring is become even more important for us, because if it goes below a certain point, go and see a doctor right there and then. So, and this one tells you if by a buzz and sending you a notification if it goes down a particular critical level. So keep a track of that with Honor Band 6. It's got 24 hours of heart rate monitoring as well, which is using a proprietary technology, TrueScene 4.0, and that detects, keep a track of all what is happening within your heart, and tells you if there is any abnormality in the heart rate, so that you can take the corrective measures and most importantly go see a doctor if need be. So it tells you those alerts and keeps sending you those alerts regarding that. It's got a sleep monitor using True Sleep algorithm, which means it tells you your duration of sleep, how deep your sleep was, and is your sleeping pattern okay. If not, you can always make those corrective measures, maybe by eating early, taking a glass of water before you go to bed, and so on, and probably add some more fitness into your work schedule and be more relaxed so that you can get that good night's sleep. And this keeps a track of all that and tells you all about it. It's got a female cycle tracker as well, so for all the women out there, you can keep a track and calendar of your periods, and at the same time it tells you about your estimated fertility window as well, specifically for those planning a family ahead. A great feature to have. It's got 10 professional workout modes built in. So it's got outdoor and indoor mode, outdoor walking, indoor and outdoor cycling, of course, freestyle workout, indoor swimming, rowing machine, applicable machine, and indoor walking as well. So all these modes, and it automatically detects the type of mode that you're working in and starts recording every move that you make. So it primarily detects about 6 workout modes, which is running, walking, rowing machine, and elliptical machine as well. So it records your heart rate while the workout, and it tells you how far away are you from your preset goals, or whether it's a weight loss or calorie burn. It tells you all that, and keeps giving you advice so that you can do the right exercise, the right amount of exercise, and have a more comprehensive data on your workout and fitness schedule. This is amazing stuff. Now, when it comes to watch faces, you can always change them. It's got a lot of watch faces inbuilt. All you do is press, swap, pick up the watch face that you like, so that you can have it according to your moods, according to your preferences. Amazing stuff. And from the store, you can always download the new watch faces as well, which is another amazing stuff. And when you're on the workout, don't worry about the notification. Any important message coming through, you will get a notification on this and a brief synopsis where you can read it. It sends you your agenda. You can always use this as a shutter for your monitor, for your camera as well. And of course, not to mention music control for when we are listening to music as well. So all the music controls are there as well. And all this power, all this tracking comes with 14 hours of battery life. Now, amazing. 14 days of standard usage, but if you're a heavy workout person or a gym enthusiast who spends an extra hour or two more than the usual, then also it's going to last 10 days. And of course, when you are looking at this, you got fast charging here, 10 minutes of charge, and you get 3 days of usage of Honor Band 6. Comes in amazing color. This is a meteorite black that we have in our hand. It also comes in sandstone gray and coral pink as well. Amazing products. So go get yourself one, check it out, and let us know what you think about it. We're going to leave some links at the bottom of the description so that you can find out where to buy them from and more details about the product if we have missed out on anything, and I'm sure we haven't. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, and I'm signing off by keeping you fit and keeping you safe. Keep yourself safe. Peace.